Ever wonder how top travel brands help people discover their perfect vacation destination without making trip planning overwhelming? In this tutorial, we'll show you how travel brands use interactive travel quizzes to engage travelers and inspire their next adventure. Here's how it works. This is Condé Nast Travelers' Where Should You Go on Vacation Next quiz. It asks users a series of fun and insightful questions about their travel preferences, personality, interests, and ideal experiences like what type of traveler are you? Who else is coming with you? How many generations? How long do you have? And more. Based on their responses, the quiz recommends a personalized travel destination that matches their unique preferences. This kind of interactive experience does more than just entertain. It keeps visitors engaged, provides personalized value, builds trust, and helps brands better understand their audience. Now let me show you how you can create the same kind of experience using Outgrow. We'll begin with the Outgrow AI Assistant. Open the AI Assistant and ask it to generate a travel destination recommendation quiz. For example, you can prompt it with something like, create a travel destination quiz that recommends ideal vacation destinations based on a user's travel preferences, interests, budget, and travel style. Within seconds, the AI generates a complete interactive quiz draft. It also creates personalized destination recommendations based on the user's responses. But remember, AI is just the starting point. The real customization happens inside Outgrow. Once the draft is ready, head to the Build tab. Here you can review and customize all the questions generated by the AI assistant. You'll see questions such as, what is your ideal vacation pace? Which type of activities do you enjoy most while traveling? What type of accommodation do you prefer? How do you prefer to explore a new destination? What is your ideal travel companion? And many more. Next, navigate to the Overall Design tab. This is where you can personalize the experience by uploading your logo, adjusting brand colors, updating fonts, and adding stunning travel imagery that reflects your brand and inspires users to explore. You can then add a lead generation form before showing results to capture details such as name, email address. Next, focus on the results screen. This is where the real magic happens. Here you can create personalized traveler profiles and destination recommendations based on each user's responses. For example, users could be categorized as the adrenaline junkie, the eco traveler, the luxury globetrotter, the cultural explorer, and many more. For each result, you can add personalized descriptions, recommended destinations, travel tips, and stunning destination imagery. This transforms your quiz from a simple engagement tool into a personalized travel advisor. Once you're happy with everything, click on Go Live. You can share the link directly with your audience or embed the quiz on your website, landing pages, blogs, or travel campaigns. And that's how you turn a simple travel destination quiz into a powerful conversion-driven experience using Outgrow. Ready to get started? Start your free trial today and create interactive experiences that engage, personalize, and convert.